Hi there. I like the phrase, a ship in harbor is safe, but that's not what ships are built for, right? And just in a few days, we are going to our first serious trip. We are going to Malaysia, and thus we need to finish some projects on Phuket. What's going on here? We've got our new lazy bag. Then Bert plans to complete his next level on getting his dive master certificate. It will be the rescue diver.
Ich morgen hinfahre.
Dann machst du dich fertig.
Wann fliegst du morgen?
Für ein bisschen Urlaub machen wir nicht.
Das ist normal?
Ja. Da laufen Titelmonster doch schon über den Start. Die weg hinterher, die eine hat mehr Titten gehabt wie böse.
No, it wasn't me.
Ich hab gerade noch ein bisschen Freiheit. Der Ding, der steht in halt.
I wish I could use the footage under the water, but the visibility was so bad, and I ended up shooting some, floaty plastic bags on the surface, a la American Beauty, if you know what I mean. And I need to take care about provision for this trip. Usually, the trip from Phuket to Malaysia to Langkawi takes 3 days if you are in rush. Actually even shorter. But as I've never sailed there before, we are planning to stay on a few islands to explore a little bit the area. So, in our rhythm. I've never cooked before and have never learned this skill. My mom all the time told me, enjoy the time when you don't have to cook. Well, I've started to learn along with our liveaboard life, as it has sense when you're far away at the sea, Slowly, cooking became my really great passion. Because we traveled around, we have access to the different vegetables, fruits, spices. I like to mix different cuisines, different tastes. And I think Bert likes the result of my experiments too. I even started my cooking channel, if you remember. But there is really little problem. I love to be spontaneous and creative in the kitchen. And on the boat, at the sea, you really have to plan what you will buy, what you will cook by days. And this will be my personal challenge. We are leaving our cozy bay. Bye-bye. Sailor Bert and Lilliput, his first adventure.
On the way to Koh Phi Phi.
How's the weather condition?
Not much wind predicted, but we will see how it looks outside. I hope for a little bit wind, not too much. And we just passed a big rain cloud, so lucky us. and I hope that's the last one for today.
We have a rainbow. That's in Russia. It's a sign for good luck. So if you have rain on your wedding, for example, don't worry for the bad photos or something. Good luck. We are going to Langkawi. Our first stop will be Phi Phi Island. Last time we've been there in January by public transportation with some friends. Super crowded, high season. I hope tonight it will be much better. Please wind, don't die. Ice, almost. To drop the anchor. Imagine to spend the night in Maya Bay. Impossible. It's closed. I guess we really will go here. Towards Sunday. Phuket is super busy, of course, because it's the most popular destination from Phuket. But it looks like here we will spend our night. Spectacular. Just look at this. I have a feeling that tonight I will sleep just in the middle of our way. Just in the middle. But with this view, the price. So we just arrived on one of the most beautiful islands in the world, and it was so dirty there, just around this bay. And look what we caught. Cheers.
First trip done.
It's really raining. Thank you for watching before I'm completely wet. Subscribe, like and comments if you like it. And welcome to our adventure.